Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable music visualization on the Nothing phone. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, click on the Glyph interface option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your device's features. Step 3. Now scroll down the menu to locate the music visualization option. Click on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the music visualization option. Turn it on. To turn it off, tap on the switch one more time to turn off the music visualization instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.